Hello everyone. So intraday volatility matters in intraday. So how this is going to work? For example, are you trading in the right way? What I mean to say is whether you are trying to play long where you should not be playing, whether you should be playing short where you should not be playing. This is the two aspect of this intraday trading system. Let's see how it works on charts. Now this is 14th October. The price gap down, but there is no signal here to take a trade. So there are no manually drawn lines here. So we got a buy signal here. So this buy signal is not valid till the intraday volatility zones turns positive. What I mean to say is if the price starts trading above these levels and the cycle is positive, then you can initiate long or you can take call instead of going short. See, generally what happens now, if the price is gap down, what we do is we take shorts, or the new traders who take puts. So those kind of amateur mistakes we should not do. What we have to do is wait for a level to generate, then we can initiate a trade. So this is how this algorithm works. You should not be selling and you should not be buying. Now the price is inside the cycle, so the intraday cycle has turned positive. So what we are going to do is we are going to mark this level. So what is this level? This is 23,450. This is the recent Wednesday trade what we have taken. So don't go short. Now I'll take a, so this is, we have initiated a long here. The cycle is positive, we got a signal here to get ready and we can initiate a short here. Long positions. So turns out to be a good trading day. Just using, we should not sell here and we should not buy here. Now this is 15th October morning. Sell both Nifty and Bank Nifty at open. Based on this system, you have initiated a trade. So why we are taking shorts? Because the negative intraday volatility. Now how to take a trade? We are not going to take a short trade now. We need a proper signal as well as the cycle should be negative. So what we are going to do is we are going to wait. No, we are not. See, now we need a proper close above this level to take a shot. So there is no way that it is closed here. So what we are going to take is, since we know this thing that we are going to take a short trade only, negative intraday volatility. This is 15th October. This is expiry day. Now the price is trading below the cycle, as well as the price is very close to intraday volatility. Again we are coming here, so we are selling here, safe selling here. Turn out to be a good short day. So you have to exit your positions before 3:20 p.m. So these are the two trading days we have taken: long here based on volatility and short here based on negative volatility. So you should not be selling where you should not be buying. So the levels we calculate intraday volatility based on fractal envelope continuous fact function.